ama manager no Enra wa pass akwahya miensa ensem ama Man U team no wo nsem antimi and a slot no say waba be the first Liverpool manager our Bayern the first match away to Old Trafford no wo kon wo kwakunya win ensem our sam match no mo we are for the first time 88 years na just say wo the last time a Liverpool coach be ensem about the first game away our Manchester home just one no ensem kwakunya win 88 years ago and a manager na ye fans and a slot no one some ababe sadden and wa shak mametema now supporters will be autonomous and some our Old Trafford sansa and slot la 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 and rana just a fansa one some am a Liverpool team no one some a manager and Old Trafford na just also hunjum ningina na akos enra yes, na just say okay on the day na manager fans your club akwa opeja nyumu eba no and say Liverpool supporters ni nyina no and some Chesenra wa break koba so game eba so away no wo so hu adiama omo manager and what Tenag say enya no credit say Casemiro mo yini free mo and some aye first time no boy no to so and some confirm to mo wo mo yes Casemiro confirm bia no wo say Casemiro anko ba bia now our dressing room okay Emma match no some na wie ansana wo mo nyina so bom and some na free ho and some akofie and our coach na ye fan set Tenag say I very clear say Liverpool boko enra nam omo deserve say wo mo so win enra game about so sanse ni nyina chi no say oye Man U ni a our sam mo bra mo ho say na mo jitum say level na Liverpool akon say Manchester and some nyantu level no na mo Manchester manager no say I am very simple into your say I am very simple no say enra omo mo be say 30 minutes no na Man U etimi wini na Liverpool so etimi dinko ni nyina chi no wo say I Liverpool team na chess enra game no and some about so nyina no wo mo take omo chances ama dia ye kan say nkrumdi aba ye wo say enra no ye very clinical no mo ma sha say na ai and wo nya jam na nkoye na den nyina masa wo so wo buy 2 seasons any apart from Man City won't mean Kasabia Timbi and some other titles at Omobokua. Your father said, mind you, a no what your title the first year, what your title last season, and to this season, are you there? Woman, I'm a cross at your title after the game, Yente Sama coach, your father said, Eric Ten Hag, and some other buy.
We will see. We just had third game in the season. Again, we have to build a new team. I explained this for so many times also on the Friday in the press conference. We will build this new team. We have young players. Also, we have now players to build in the season. Today we had, I think, 3 players first start of the season, and they didn't play 90 minutes. We will be fine. But it's clear we have to improve. But in the end of the season, I'm quite confident. Again, we will have a big chance to lift another trophy.
Yes, no, just Man U supporters no mezano mo manager no was say ebedu say ebi a season ebe corner na just Man U and some our chance on be aye title and no aye update ba and no meza say o so say waja Man U support ma so obi ani baby akọ baby awo one awo ti obi e fan de yes na fe makoso amanyo man so e come mama coach na ye fans ana slot on aye opposite number at the manager fans Tana Kenra and a slot and so say what it be because Enra when post match and Mohamed Salah can say bet me about Enra game away no and some at the last time over Old Trafford one game to moment I can no one Salah ever so enjoy now over Liverpool obi anywhere what ban in chain aba catch on say bia one ever so no Salah extended a contract no and some other Liverpool okay at the last time me be to jam boy na kasa and ya no man say focus ɛwɔ so wɔsi the moment aka so ɔba ne last season adjamensa kan sɛ oni baabi akɔ Liverpool for no ama ne nkɔnkɔmɔgye ne nyinaa no ɛbɛba so coach afa no sɛ slot ɛsɛ boy no ɔda so yɛ player ɛma Liverpool ɔbɛkɔ so ɔbɔ na mmom sɛ woka sɛ ebi awo single nipa baako so sɛ bi asɛ nipa no wo bɔ na ba so ana kyɛ so anyɛ fɛ ama other players akyɛ sɛ nora wɔn bɔ yɛ ɔmo mo fi bench ba yɛ masa akɔrɔ ne fa no sɛ ran Harafenberg bɔ na wɔbɔ no Liverpool mpɛ number 6 bi abasa Liverpool mpɛ 6 bi a wɔ team no mo yɛntie manager fans and a slaughter Musala and a performance and some no what come on I know one.
But at this moment he's one of ours, and I'm really happy with him being one of ours, and he plays really well. So I don't talk about contracts from players, but I can talk for hours about how Mo played today. But are you interested in that? So he was impressive, like the first 2 games as well. But if we talk about an individual, you don't do justice to all the other ones, because I think today you saw a real good team performance.
Yes, I know I can't free or game no Benra. What break about say Chelsea, I will fear about draw not fee. Among Fonso so Edugum and Ramani Gana say, I want so Oman 3 points and I'm from Codier. Nasrabas were canning and answer born or born and Rano. Sesiana Chelsea Abacos board ya. Nania matches on very new more as a born in your pa. Nania Jamontumana and Chelsea a boy sansa. Will you go now a better chi is on one Casana Daruma and what Dinya equalizer Emma Crystal Palace according to a ref Maresca or say I gotta say Chelsea for the concede be a shot on target to be at just no and sometime one will be answered and running in a channel Nani Ajamani man and rented a boy now Thomas Walker in under 3 years ago Chelsea Aquajet Champions League SC Omonanso Chelsea 3 years ago and some anina Yakasan and your pet and it's a Kobasa at Chelsea ball now Munya draw more money normal Emamo I just my manager found some Marascano and some other coach and after the game. Yintes my Chelsea coach, and some other man some trouble.
Doesn't matter if it's clean sheet or not, but I also like to analyzing game. Today game we concede, but we concede the goal, but we didn't concede any more chances. So it's not about some defensive, problem that we need to solve. For sure, we need to do many things better. But today was not clean sheet, not because the team was not good. It was because at the end you can concede 1 shot on goal. Unfortunately, it was a fantastic goal, so it was impossible for Robert. But as I said, I'm always concerned because I try to see things and.
Yes, I know I can't free Chelsea manager and so and no peno. Yet Emma yet for Enra wa broke Kobasa reminded me who say when we first have a man for Casa Omo Casa no you bu on mouth to so support to Bansa. Besas who call Real Madrid win and to us as I did today. There's a legendary and Yoma and also across Enra in Bumpy. One of them about 2 goals. Adama Babokua. Your father said Los Blancos. Anchas and one came no one of some Ayajman some Emma Tim Nadia Mingan say, and one penalty by and no one some, and I say so be a Kansas City. I will say, moment of Koba say, I brought some Vinicius and some other chance are Yabetis, goalkeeper, one of some other Postum and Ra, and some Asian in Ano, one of us so much as a boy party. Nelly Cancer referee at Japan, goalkeeper Fanasa Rio Silva. No one anchor or red Fanasa Vinicius, no, number I have Vinicius and a dinner night, and some Aquacan goalkeeper. Your father said Rio 70 about saying and a referee or D and Ragamino and some major penalty Emma Bobokua. Your father Madrid and a penalty by Vinicius and a catcher Baba Sabama quote na a couple Federico Valventinum and Ibrahim Diaz and Oshaya before sir in Mbappe Ababa penalty. Yanya Pelebia Nam Abaswa Croci a penalty box no Ibrahim Diaz a copamoni frimo and watch Ibrahim Diaz American answer me one of Vinicius Emiano. One more catch up and a bow. A crowd and the supporters and say, woman, you and supporting Mbappe. A man rampany and pass supporting a koi. Mbappe shall go. And some Mama Team Archers and 2 goals in Yano. One of some about a simple. Now report on myself, Real Madrid. Medically about to Jainan starting season. And I'm a catch us about 7 pieces. Now we are born at the year. Mbappe. and a ball, a banner penalties. I have Vinicius Junior. Now, Jamaican Sarima for the say, Wayne, I have penalty system. Now, penalty system, no, because Las Palmas, Vinicius and a boy, and against Betis, I am Mbappe and a boy, you say Vinicius, I catch Mbappe, Sabama, Jet Nekopo, I just and I update about something, you know, yet the Emma, yet for Mbappe say, when I had Jabakwanwa bomb, Payache, say, Obobo, our Benepo, Nam Obeshako, and one quality camper. Now, yes, I obasa, will be replacing Ronaldo, and Abesha, I see Ronaldo and Obasre, Mamma for pressure, Biama Tono, so no, your friend Mbappe, I want to say, the idol, and I say Ronaldo and idol, and what you know, or respect, and some other more, your friend says, see Ronaldo, one on some Abaswa, from dear, and some other Madrid, Arches, and you know, and some update about Dino BSA, one empire, manager, Fans Ancelotti, and Ra, honestly, swamp. Dia was international break. I feel about finding momentum. Wobeshobo says, prepare. I call a national assignment. I'm a senior man, you know, as an event canon manager, Somaka, Wamosum Casadia from Rabia Chum, necessary Bonsa Massa, manager for the Sam has a fleck, you know, the players appropriate unity. I have 4/4, I have 12/12. Our manager, no, at some Madam manager, your father said fleck. Omukwasha 7 Emma Chesabobo Omukwasa Remadu than Timio Nelson Basa Kwasha and so Emma Rafinha a man of the match award Rafinha did a ball and some after the game coach your father said flick and so any what did he about Sanuma P and El Koswa Ayenepa.
From the beginning, when we start the preseason till now, it's a really good atmosphere, and of course, if you win the matches, something special can grow, and at the moment it's like that, and we have the expert around, the coaching staff, the physios, the medical staff, all about that. All the experts we have, they give the energy to the team, and it's really great to see that. Absolutely,
yes, not just no I free on my sway and some Mano Casa Irina Sabalenka and so sure so Pinimono I just on also out qualified so I did him I just an I quarter fan fee your branch Evansa Iman Navarro no your babawa one on some extra Coco Gaff Yaka Coco Gaffa where you defending champion Adama sure so Pin Emra one on some Alizuni game a fee women Alexander Zarev the game a Barcelona one on some qualified I quarter finals and no I sure so been after so Brandon Nakashima and some hours I came to my chest and you know and some I crab Mike young commercial brand so we are not
Akomia letter no it has been rejected with immediate effect. Important release now after over 2 decades. Oh, yeah, but then I make a camera for
and you win a different
everything. I make a camera for
trophy.
Important release. Now, when I say release, very important. After over 2 decades of unwavering loyalty and dedication to Manchester. Oh, unwavering loyalty, I can wait. Throw it away to the dustbin. Throw it away.
Mumbene.
Shadrach, factory cycle bin him. Or truffle for a best as well could delay to play for
10:49.
Aye, to me, he cannot sleep.
There's a match on the way on 10:49.
I'm far. I'm far. We there here.
Maybe don't worry.
Everything is gonna be alright.
Tomorrow, everything
is gonna be alright. Yeah, buy you. Shadrach, your call.
Oh, wait. Beer. Amen. Fufuri yet down. The poacher balance na wakan. Fama mo wo fufuru.